Bismillah. Today is one of the days I don't feel like doing it, yet I have to do it. I feel like I'm exhausted, though I'm not exhausted. My body just doesn't feel like I want to do it, but the commitment is pushing me to do it. That's why today I want to share how I'm doing it, though I feel low, I feel down. Well, Bismillah. Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Munyana Vera Badru. You're going to Tech Savvy Virtual Assistant, providing administrative and social media support to business owners and content creators globally in different time zones. In this video, I'm just sharing how I feel like I have to do it, even though my emotions don't feel like doing it, even though my body feel like it's tired, but I'm not sick. Alhamdulillah, I'm healthy, breathing. So I realized that when it comes to doing the work, doing what you're supposed to do, you need to push yourself, you need to be committed. I don't feel like being productive today, but the fact that I have a goal to achieve, and that goal does not mind about how I feel, especially if I'm not sick, if I'm alive. I just have to get myself out of bed, out of my comfort zone, and do what I need to do. Then I felt a little bit low, I felt a little bit weird, but I remember this hadith: buy your camel as you put your trust in Allah. The part of building yourself in any area of your life requires you to have discipline and consistency. When I remember that hadith about tying your camel and putting your trust in Allah, yes, I pray about what I want to achieve in life, but I can't just sit down and let the magic happen. I have a part to play apart from talking to Allah, doing my prayers, doing my du'as. I have to tie my camel, and then my camel will not go away. My camel will not run away. My camel will be safe. Building a habit, building a business, building any area of your life, there are some days you're going to feel like, I don't feel like doing it today. But being organized and being committed and noting down, when I look at my Notion and I look at my to-do list of the day, of that week, and what I want to achieve, when I look at my vision board, after doing my du'as, I just tell myself, Bismillah, okay, let's do it. And then there I am, I push myself today to do this thing. I'm going to shoot content for my YouTube channel. I want to grow, and I pray Allah blesses what I'm doing, and for any mistakes I do, may Allah forgive me. But I realized discipline, consistency is something that is required in anything you're doing. And when it comes to creating content, no one is going to push you. You are an adult. You began this on your own. You just have to push yourself, put yourself out. Alhamdulillah, thank Allah, I have a plan. When I was beginning this, I note down on my phone. I use my Google Calendar. I use a reminder in my Samsung phone. And part of the tasks of the day I had to do is creating content for my YouTube channel. So here I am today. I thank Allah for the life and the energy He has provided me to do this, because it's easy to lose momentum. But I thank Allah, I'm doing this today. I'm tying my camel and putting my trust in Allah. So basically, that's what I'm sharing with you on this episode. What I've learned today about feeling I don't feel like doing it, I look at the why I began this journey. Emotions don't get you rewarded. Emotions don't pay bills except if you use your emotions wisely. Like right now, I'm controlling my emotions, and I'm getting my emotions to productivity. It's not hectic for me to create content. I recognize how I'm feeling. The fact that I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, it does not mean I do not care how I feel. I care how I feel, but I care more about what I'm supposed to be doing and how important are my feelings about a situation. Emotions don't pay bills, and I have to do it for my own good. I'm looking at the long-term goals. The emotions I'm experiencing right now will not be the reason for me to getting rewarded. It's the work that I do. If you like this video, kindly don't forget to hit a thumbs up, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.